Good evening, everybody.
I just found the keys to a city. The beats are big and the lights are pretty. So why can't we get to the busy where the dreams are in the sky? You got me high, you got me high.
Getting started, you're going to need to grab yourself some overalls. And we're going to be utilizing the Supreme messenger bags. These straps are perfect for replacing the straps on the overalls. And then for the detachable pocket, we're going to be using these magnetic snaps. Getting started, we're going to go ahead and take off the existing straps on the overalls, and this is pretty easy. All you have to do is de-thread the two straps. So go ahead and grab yourself a de-threader or a little pair of scissors and just de-thread those two seams. And these straps are not held on by much, so it's really easy to take them off. And leave that hole open because that's where we're going to be putting the new strap. And moving on to the bag, what we're going to do is de-thread the entire side strap all the way around. And there you have it. You have your bag for the front and your replacement straps. And we are going to do a little bit of work to these straps before we sew them on. So what we're going to do is de-thread all of the little plastic loops off of this strap. And this will turn it into one long strap so we can utilize the components on the original straps of the overalls. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and take the components off this strap and then put it on our new strap. And it's super simple. All you have to do is feed it through and you're good to go. On second thought, I ended up using the black ones from the Supreme strap. I thought it looked better and it fit the strap better, so I just utilized those instead. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the back end of that strap into the de-threaded opening on the overalls. And then go ahead and take it to your sewing machine and follow the same stitches that were in place before. And I recommend using the same color of thread, but we didn't have one that matches, so we just used black. And then go ahead and do this for both sides.
And now listen to this.
And there you have it, our straps are complete, and now it's time to start working on the pocket. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our bag, open it up, and we're gonna start finding where we want these magnets to go. And we're gonna install these at each corner. It's super easy. All you have to do is cut little slits and then feed it through. And then they come with the back end that you place on and bend those two prongs over to lock it into position.
Listen to this right here. I heard then.
And here's a closer look at this process from the inside.
Oh, there it is.
And then go ahead and repeat this process for all four corners.
Get up right now.
What we're gonna do now is lay the bag on the front panel, and we're gonna mark off with chalk where those buttons line up. Now we're going to be installing the back piece onto the overalls. And it is done the exact same way.
This is what you do. Something more than it was.
I like that, don't you?
And then go ahead and snap the bag on and you're good to go. And that's the beauty of using these magnetic snaps. They look good and it's super easy to take the bag on and off. And if you want to finalize the back straps, we're going to let ours just hang. You can go ahead and cut them to your size and then roll that end over and sew it, and you should be all set. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think, and if you have any other ideas for us to do in the future, definitely send it our way. We'll try to make it happen for you, but until then, we're going to keep the videos coming at you, and we'll see you next time.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
Good evening, everybody.
I just found the keys to a city. The